Untutuko uyajola, and it looks like ukechile umfana, and inkinga yami ukuthi is he going to be able to be in a relationship faithfully so chickening out, because yeah, but well, I've never seen him chicken out, so I think maybe this one he will be able to hold it up and be in a relationship for a longer time. But it looks so cute. But inkinga yami ithi uhalalelo ubhizi uwathathathatha guys, halalelo uyimile, and there's no one that is talking about it. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Di Madekwana, sanibona absheni molweni mijani. Hipukile hingangwina. So namuhla ka nokwa hina wa Scandal hikuma kure. Last time ngikahle looking at the fact that uhalalelo everything smells for her. Yonkinto. And obviously Mavutela was like, no, you know what, I'm not going to have this thing, you lying to your father over and over again. I'm just going to tell your father the truth. And then Victor got to find out that the daughter was there. And then good news is he is no longer going to jail. However, he's turned into state witness against Utalita, so meaning that he is safe. Anyway, on the other hand again, Upoet wants to meet his father, and he does not care who is married to who. He does not care who is going. He wants to be with his father regardless. And then now he called a meeting with the mother and the grandmother, and then the grandmother was actually resisting for him to go and meet the father. But you know what, papa and then make arrangement, and that did not sit well. I don't know. You know what, you have moved on, so why are you calling her Arbona? You gotta bring him here. And I was like, that is so cute. And I kind of feel like he's catching feelings, because everything that he was taught, it looks like it was a lie. It looks like even Matobela has lied to her daughter, because now I don't know. Sanka's sister is persistent in what she's looking for, and it looks like she's gonna get it. Somebody's gonna end in tears, because now she keeps digging and digging. She put something called glassing, that lady work reception. I don't know what was that, and I don't know what was the idea, or maybe it's so that she can sleep and then she can get Sanka's sister can get information into the system. I have no idea, but what I know is that is about to go down. And she keep asking questions that relate to Sanka to Uboswake, and Uboswake gets a bit uncomfortable. I don't think she actually like to dig down her past.